Hi everyone, today I want to tell you about the message and impression of taking part in the Mabit event at school. During the event, we followed halaqah and we were guided by the teacher. I was also happy because I could meet my friends and sleep together. Then we woke up at 3 a.m. to carry out Qiyamul Layl. Thank you to the teacher who patiently accompanied us. For everyone, don't even forget to pray, okay? And hopefully we will gather together again. Thank you friends, bye!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to tell you about my opinion in Mabit, made by Baitul Quran Silaturahmi School. During Mabit, we do everything together, such as we repeat our Quran together and morning sport together and outdoor. Mabit is so very exciting, and I hope that Mabit will be made every month. This is my opinion in Mabit. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.